Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Danielle, and every week I do an update on the ketogenic diet. This is going to be week 10 for me on keto. So if you guys are interested in seeing the things I've learned, the mistakes I've made, and what my new game plan is, then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. This is going to be week 10, day 70, update on the ketogenic diet. And I've made some major mistakes. And I didn't even know I was doing it. So let's talk. Well, what did I do? Okay, let's just start about my week. I did, as far as working out, I did really well. I did all my goals. I worked out 3 days this week. I was mindful up until Thanksgiving on how I did. I did pretty well at the start of Thanksgiving meals, and then I kind of crashed and burned. So yeah, I went in strong, and then it just, like I said, the desserts and the wine, and it happened. So what did I do? I ate the carbs. I had some cookies, I had some cornbread, I had some dessert, I had some wine. I enjoyed time with my family, and yeah. The next day, I got right back on it. When I said let's talk about mistakes I've made, we need to talk about drinks and hidden carbs. So I never really went into this with a determined weight loss as in pounds. But I was always kind of like, man, everybody drops weight pretty quickly. I feel like, am I doing something wrong? And I would be like, no, I'm only having this. Like, I would think about everything I ate, and I was like, I'm not having any carbs really. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so I was like really, honestly, I was really shook about it. I was like, what the hell is happening? So I went to go make some coffee the other day, and for some reason I looked at the packages of stevia I was using. Each package of stevia had 2 carbs in it. I have 3 packets in 1 cup of coffee. On certain days, I have anywhere from 2 to 4 cups. So 3 times 4 is 12 carbs. That was just in coffee. That's not even including if I had some tea. I'm a big caffeine drinker. I'm not very sensitive to caffeine at all, so that doesn't bother me, the amount of caffeine. Yeah, I'm just not sensitive to any of that stuff. But the fact that I was, consuming upwards of 15 to 18 carbs a day just in a beverage, not knowing, I was shocked. I could not believe it. And I was like, holy shit. Like, when I seen that, and then I went to the store and I was looking at all the different packages, maybe thinking it was just that, I could not believe it. And I was like, I was at a loss. Like, I was so shocked that I did not realize I was doing this. I was literally sabotaging myself, not knowing. So then I was like, okay, well, I am getting my water in, and I would tell you guys all the time I would use like the Crystal Light packets or whatever, or like the Walmart version. So I filmed a full day of eating, and I was like, oh, this is what I bought another one, and then I turned it over and I looked at the macros, and there was 2 carbs in 1/8 of a package of each drink. Guys, I would drink probably a pitcher of that a day. So I can't even tell you how many they were. I'm going to say 20. So in beverages alone, we'll say about 30-35 carbs a day. And that's not even, the carbs in the greens, the carbs in my low carb tortillas, whatever other little low carb stuff I was having. So I was probably consuming anywhere from 35 to 50, 60 carbs a day. I could not believe I was doing this. I cannot believe I've been making these huge mistakes, and I am not a rookie on keto. So this makes me think, like, when I did it the first time, I was doing it then, and I couldn't believe it. So I was like, okay, well, let's change the game. So I ended up going back to the store, and I picked up some liquid stevia that has 0 carbs in it, and I have to drink water from now on. Or if they said to get like the Mios and stuff like that, which I might just do, anything has to be in liquid, like flavor enhancer form, like liquid form. So I'm gonna have to get those, but I just didn't buy anything, so I was so disgusted. I can't believe I did that. So I really need you guys to really be mindful of that, because I don't know, I guess a lot of people knew that and I didn't, and I guess these were very rookie mistakes, and I made them and I'm so disappointed in myself that I did that, because here I am, you know, preaching to you guys, oh, I'm the keto queen, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and I'm making these dumb ass mistakes. And I'm so sorry to anybody who's, if I've recommended that to anybody and they've done it, or I'm sorry guys, I am so disappointed in myself. So from here on out, no more powdered, you know, sugar forms or anything like that. I'm really gonna, I've cut that out, so I'm gonna see if that makes a huge difference. I'm still gonna do the scale every 4 weeks. Like I said, I did cheat on Thanksgiving. I know I always put a before and after picture, and I don't have one this week. I don't have one because I just was so disgusted by the situation. I did my measurements this morning before I left from work. This is like, I've been up since 4, guys, and this is like my work face, and it was a rough day at work, and I did not lose anything. I didn't gain any inches, but I did not lose any, so that's good. But, and I wasn't expecting to gain like 10 inches, you know, it'll probably be a couple pounds, but I wasn't really worried about the inches. I was just more coming on here to be like, guys, if you are negligent like me to look at these packages, then definitely pay attention, because I cannot believe it. I'm so dumb. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of talk about that. What am I going to do? I'm staying strong on this keto journey. I'm going to finish this month, this year, strong as hell. I have, I'm going to increase my cardio to 4 days a week, weightlifting 3 days a week. I am going to finish this year off hella strong. I'm going to just be, I don't think I'm going to do strict keto. I know a lot of people are really into strict keto. I don't want to do that because it starts to take over my life. I don't like that. I want this to be an overall lifestyle to where I know, eat this, not that, this, that. You know, but I'm definitely going to start reading packages instead of just thinking I know what I'm doing, because obviously I don't. I do want to share with you one thing. I have been using this planner. This was sent to me. I'm not gonna, you know, not lie to you guys, but it's really a great, I've never been a planner person. I always wanted like an Erin Condren planner, and I love them, but the price was always just way out of budget for me. It's not that I'm a cheap person and I don't like buying myself nice stuff just for like a notebook, $50. I was like, no, bro. So anyways, they went ahead and sent me this planner, and the good thing is they're going to go ahead and they're going to give me one to give away. So this is going to be a giveaway video. So if you guys have stuck through with me through this far, then you guys are going to be able to enter yourself in a giveaway. What I like about this planner, oh gosh, the kids got a hold of it and braided it. It does come with these 3 little book tabs, and you can see. What I like is it has like a gratitude. I don't know if you guys can see here. Like it has like a gratitude, like your daily rituals. And it has like a vision board that you can do for yourself, which I think is really cool if you're all into manifestation. And then it has the months, like a whole printout of the month, and you can write everything in, so you don't be like, oh, I have to wait until January to buy a new one or whatever, because I used to use that excuse all the time. And I like it because I just go ahead and I mark everything in. And then, let me see, I had stuff written out, but my kids played with everything. So this was for the week, November 5th through the 11th, and it has each day, you know, and what I'm doing each day. And then on the side here, it has your habits and skills, what you're working good on, this week's wins, this week's losses, what you want to do better next week, your personal to-do lists. And I just really like that option to where you can kind of write it down. And then at the end of it, it has a like notes section, kind of, and I just jot down stuff I need for like YouTube and videos and stuff like that. But it really has helped me kind of plan out my week. So what I've been doing is Sunday, I sit down, I got myself a hot cup of coffee with no powdered sugar in it, never again. And I just kind of jot everything down. All right, Monday, I'll look back to my month. All right, this is what's going on important that I already scheduled. This is my work schedule. This is what's going on with the kids at school. All right, I got that in. All right, next, let me import anything I need to do for YouTube, because, you know, that goes into the important pile. And then I go ahead and add in my workout schedule. I usually plan my workout schedule around my work schedule. So usually, like, I usually work on Wednesdays. So I know on Tuesdays, I do not ever do legs because I walk a lot at work. I work in a hospital. I'm an ICU therapist. So I'm in respiratory. A lot of people think I'm a nurse. I'm a respiratory therapist. So like a pulmonary person. And I always mostly work in the ICU. If I'm not in the ICU, I'm usually just running the building. So I know I need to have strong legs that day. So I can't have a post-leg day trauma, you know what I mean, where I can barely stand. So I always make sure like Tuesdays are usually like my arms and abs. So usually how my workout schedule is Monday legs, and that's usually either going to be high weights, low reps, or it'll be like my resistance where it's high reps, low weights. And then Tuesday will be my arms. I usually do bis, tris, and a little bit of shoulders with some abs and some cardio. And then Wednesday will be my off day so I can rest. Thursday I'll pick up again and do the second part of my leg day. I usually work on Fridays, so then I'll be off. And then Saturday I don't work out. That's usually like my filming day. And then Sunday I'll pick up with another day of cardio, and I try to do like an all over body workout. I'll do some light reps on everything just to kind of give me a little bit of a pump, and that'll be it. So I put all of that into my calendar. I think it's going to be really great for you guys right now, considering this is going to be the end of the year. I know you guys are going to be really busy with family, parties, work stuff, kid stuff, you know, grocery shopping, whatever it is that is in your, you know, your daily schedule. And it'll help you say, I feel like if I write it down and I see it, then I know it has to be done. And it's just something that is so awesome about scratching something off a to-do list for me. I don't know if I'm the only one. It just works for me. If I think about it in my head, I'll sometimes just, I'll forget, or it'll slip my mind, or I'll put it to the back burner. If I have it written down, then I know I need to get it done. What I've also been doing is I will do my workout before I clean, because I feel like if I push the workout to the end of the day, then I'm tired already. I've already had a full day of stuff going on, and I'm just like, I put myself last. So I've been trying to make a conscious effort of putting myself first. So if you guys are like me and you suffer from that, do that thing first. If you are a working person and you're like, look, when I get home from work, I'm tired. When you get home from work, eat yourself something light, get the workout done. That's it. Before you sit down to watch TV, before you pick up your phone to search the web, go ahead and get that workout in. Going forward, I really think that the errors that I have found in my ways is really going to help me really change up this whole results of the keto diet. I am going to go ahead and purchase some keto sticks, just the urine sticks. I'm not going to do the blood ones because those tend to be pricey. Do I tell everybody to do it? No. You know, it varies. You can be negative for ketos in the morning and positive at night, or you can lose them throughout the day. If you drink a lot of water, it might fade the results, whatever. I just needed to see if I can get myself into ketosis, if I'm doing it right. And obviously I wasn't, and I feel like maybe if I had those markers, maybe I would have known. So you guys want to win a planner. They have different colors. They're like kind of leather bound. It has this nice strap. You can put your pen right here. It's small enough where you can throw in your bag. I keep mine in my bag. I jot stuff down from work, you know, wherever I'm at. If I'm going to the grocery store, I'll have a list in here. It's just convenient than carrying around like 50 million pieces of paper as well. And it's pretty sharp. So if you guys want to win one, I want you to comment down below. Go ahead and win a planner. I want you to comment down below. I want you to tell me, what are your goals for this last month of the year? December is almost here. We have one more week, you know, and what are your goals to wrap up this year? We got 30 days to finish strong. What is your ultimate goal? Whether it be weight loss, whether it be paying off a bill, seeing a family member, you know, whatever it is that's important to you that you want to check off, leave it down below. I'm going to leave this giveaway open until this Friday, so it'll be November 30th. And yeah, I'll pick a winner and I will announce it on next week's weigh-in. So December 1st, I will announce the winner. So go ahead, make sure you leave your comment down below. And if you guys can, either leave like your Instagram or an email or something like that, so I can go ahead and get a hold of you guys to let you know that you did, you know, win or whatnot. So that would be great, because I've had giveaways before and I have never been able to reach the people. So yeah. again, guys, I'm so effing disappointed in myself that I made this ultimate mistake, but I feel like I got a really good game plan. I went ahead and ordered Natural Calm. It's a magnesium supplement that's coming in the mail like any minute now. I'm waiting for Amazon to drop that off. So that's gonna help me get my magnesium in. I'm gonna hit this water. I'm gonna get these workouts. I'm gonna knock out these carbs. I am going to be in full-blown ketosis within 2 weeks. No shit, it's coming. I'm coming for you, ketosis. I'm gonna knock this month out, and that's it. That's the mindset I'm going in. Sorry there's no update picture. Sorry, I messed up. I'm really sorry. I can't tell you how much sorry I am for myself and for you, and I was just such a freaking dummy. Yeah, so make sure you guys go through your kitchen, go through every little bit that you eat on a daily, and make sure there's no carbs. Because even with like heavy cream, there are certain heavy creams out there that are 1 carb per tablespoon. So make sure you're checking. Like, I've been getting my heavy cream from Aldi because it is 0 carbs. All those little things I have to be mindful with now because, yeah, your girl messed up. So what's in store for this weekend? Tomorrow is going to be a full day of eating video. This is post cheat day. This is me looking like I've been hungover, but I really wasn't. I was just carb hungover, you know? So hopefully you guys like the video. Please do not forget to enter this giveaway if you guys are interested. They will ship the planner out to you and you guys can have it hopefully just in time for the holidays. So let me know how your week went. How did your holidays go? And I hope you guys had an awesome Thanksgiving. And hopefully you guys aren't too disappointed in me. And I love you guys and keep on rocking out. We got this year. We're going to wrap it up strong. And I believe in you. And thank you guys for riding with me. All right. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
You're a rebel.